I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice, and today's wig review is gonna be on Jessie's wig. So today I do have a 5x6 spiral curl wig. It is going to be completely what? Glueless. Say it again, glueless. It's going to be completely glueless. We're going to do an installing. I'm going to show y'all everything I received with this package. I do want to enclose a unboxing video as well. Y'all going to see that right there on your screen, and it's going to show everything I received. This package came very, very quick, and it is just a 1B, a black spiral curly wig. And again, it's a glueless wig, and it's in a 18-inch. This is the box it came in. It also came in a light pink packaging box, as well. So this is the box. Again, it is Jessie's wig. There's the information on the back, and of course I'm going to leave everything listed down below. Ta-da! So this is the wig. This is the spiral curly wig that I received. This is the spiral curl. So of course I've been wearing it. This is the wig. It does have a silicone elastic band as well. The silicone helps your wig stay, and it just helps for it not to move. Like, I will demonstrate all of that at the end, exactly what the silicone is used for. But this is the wig. It's a 5x6. Of course I have it in a middle part. This wig does come pre-plucked, pre-cut, and bleach knots. So basically all you have to do is actually just put it on your head. This is like wear and go wig. It comes ready. If you can stay ready, it comes ready. So it doesn't have too many combs on it. It does have 2 combs on each side of the wig. Y'all can see it. There's a comb right there. There's another comb on the side, and there's also one at the very bottom. So you have 3 combs in total in this wig, and also a silicone band. So you should not have to worry about your wig moving at all. This is the spiral curly hair. And did I mention this wig is very full? Very, very full. Very full. But this is the wig. So we're going to jump right into this video. Just keep watching, and we're going to just get right into installing. And that took like, what, 5 seconds? Like, anybody count? Let's do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 seconds. The wig took literally 5 seconds to put on, and we are wear and go ready. The wig is already done, and I can really head out the door. So this is the wig. I am going to demonstrate a wet look, and I am just going to frame my face and make it look, you know, up to part just a little bit. So the parting space does go from right here to right here. It does have a very large parting space, but I'm not going to part it any type of way. I'm just going to leave it in a middle part. The 18-inch does fall about right here, but again, this hair is dry at the moment. We're going to wet it, and then I'm going to use my diffuser and just make the curls pop just a little bit more. Do y'all see how full this hair is? This hair is very, very full. Very full.
I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I your soul.
I just had to do that because, you know, it always works. It always works. You just cannot get enough of the comb method. Just to let y'all know, it is completely glueless. So I am just going to take my water bottle and just spray the hair. Just kind of drench it just a little bit so it can be damp, and then I'm going to style it as such.
You know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you fuck.
As you can see, this side is slightly wet and this side is dry, and I'm just gonna do the other side.
First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas.
I'm just gonna add my mousse. You can use any mousse of your liking.
Yeah.
Ends are so important. Basically what it looks like in the wet state. I have all the hair in front of me. Y'all look how gorgeous this hair is. This is all the hair. I am just gonna frame the hair just around my face to kind of put a little bit of a layer effect on it because it's just down. It's just down. This is what the hair is looking like mid back. To frame the face. Frame the face.
Sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them cats in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put.
Alright, so I did just put some around the face. Around the face, just a tad bit. And I am just gonna take the diffuser and just scrunch these curls up.
Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke us and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collars, we second up wallow and guala and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, still at the new BM up. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right and left. Hey, you talk about the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us till they block and get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in a prison. 150 flying, bitch, you can't look. But the game to his empty. Look, cause I'm spitting flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Alright, so I took the diffuser and y'all look what we created. We created a whole masterpiece. Look how gorgeous this hair is. Oh my goodness. Who would have thought framing your face was that girl? Like it definitely makes a difference. And I just lightly trimmed the ends and I am so proud of myself, y'all. This looks so good. Look how luscious the curls are. This makes it look even more bigger. It was already big, but now it's like ba-boom. Did y'all just see that? And my wig's not going nowhere. Hold on, let's do it again. Alright, so I am going to leave everything listed down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? This video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Jessie's wig. Everything will be listed down below and I hope y'all enjoy.